Question number 8. The current flowing in a semiconductor due to the application of an external DC voltage is option A, drift current, diffusion current, intrinsic current, extrinsic current. Now we will see the concept. If there is a semiconductor doped with one side with P type, one side with P type, other side with N type. This is P type, this is N type dopants. Now by seeing this, here is very high concentration of holes. From this side, high concentration of electrons. Without applying any voltage also, we are not applying any external voltage, these holes will try to combine with electrons by concentration gradient, means by moving from this side to this side. Similarly, these electrons comes from right side to the left side to combine with positive ions, means with holes. This process gives the current, because current means flow of charge. Here holes will diffused into this one. Electrons is diffused from this to this side, means charge carriers are diffusing from one side to other side, means higher concentration gradient to lower concentration gradient. So due to this current will generated, this current is called diffusion current. This is occurs only due to concentration gradient. Gradient means changing. Concentration changing may leads to the current. That current is known as diffusion current. Now this, after some time, it comes into the equilibrium. Now after some time it comes to the equilibrium. So see this picture. In this, some positive ions are deposited this N side, some negative ions are deposited this P side. So now there is no gradient, there is no carrier flow. Now there is no current in this case. Now in this case, if you apply an external voltage or external electric field, this external voltage gives an electric field. In this electric field will be generated. Due to this electric field, the flow of charge will occur from P side to N side holes, and electrons from N side to P side. This carrier flow gives the current. Due to this external voltage, this current in this state of current is known as drift current. By applying this external electric field, internally generated electric field, due to this voltage, internal will be generated electric field. Due to this electric field, carriers will move from one side to other side. This is known as drift current. So comes to our question now. By applying external electric field, current is drift current. Option A is correct. Diffusion current is due to concentration gradient. This is wrong. Intrinsic current. This is pure semiconductor, doesn't have current. This is wrong. Extrinsic current. This is also wrong. Option A, drift current, is correct. Now we will see some points regarding this. Drift current and diffusion currents are both type of electric current that occurs in a semiconductor. Drift current caused by an electric field. by an electric field, drift current occurs when charge carriers move from the direction of electric field direction. In the drift current state, carriers moves from drift current direction. Now diffusion current. Diffusion current. This is caused by an variation in concentration gradient. Carrier concentration means concentration gradient. Diffusion current occurs when charge carriers moves from the higher concentration to the lower concentration. These 2 points we need to remember.